Summer is a season where everyone feels hot, and when it comes to birds, we need to take extra care as they are very delicate and sensitive. So let's begin with today's topic. Offer your budgies or cockatiels palak, methi, or dhania. This will help to regulate their body temperature. You can also add rice in their diet, but remember not to add salt. Do spray them very often, and if you have the young ones, it is not right to spray them. But you can simply place a wet cloth on their cage or nesting box. Spraying them depends on your home temperature. You can also keep water bowls where they can go and take a dip. If your house is under direct sunlight, use a wet thin cloth to cover the area. This will help them not to have a sunburn party. Or else, you can rather bring them inside your home and cage them up. Do not catch them unnecessarily or cause them any kind of discomfort during summer. Hope this will help you. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, comment below.